Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix HighOnLife2 error. The UE-HighOnLife2 game has crashed and will close. Fatal error. So if you're getting this fatal error in HighOnLife2 game, then here follow the fixes. The first fix is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to this NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to this AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to this Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver and then reinstall it. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website. And once you're on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here and then select the operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run this exe file. So run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue. Then select the custom advanced option. So check mark custom advanced option and then hit on next. And then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then click on next. So check mark this perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to lower the in-game settings. Now if you're able to launch the game, then go to the in-game settings and then set the graphic quality to low or medium, set shadows quality to low or medium, or set texture quality to low medium. First set all these settings to low and then try to launch the game and check, because this fix has solved the issue for many players. Fix 3 is to set windowed full screen. Now again, if you are able to launch the game, then go to the in-game settings and then change the windowed mode to windowed full screen rather than just keeping it to full screen. So just change the windowed mode to the windowed full screen and then check, because this fix has also solved the issue for many players. So I hope this will work for you as well. Next solution is to modify the game launch options. So open Steam, go to library, right click on HighOnLife2 game. This is just an example I am showing with another game, and then click on properties and then in the launch options type -dx11, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties and this time type -dx12, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If still not working, again go to properties and remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5 is to run the game from the game installation folder or run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on HighOnLife2 game and then select manage and then click on browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Now open the HighOnLife2 game folder. This is just an example I am showing with another game. So it is showing Everholm folder, but you will see HighOnLife2 game folder. Open that, then open the binaries folder and then open the Win64 folder. And then you will see HighOnLife Win64 shipping exe file. So right click on it and then select properties and then go to the compatibility tab, check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then check mark run this program in compatibility mode 4. From drop down here select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then from the drop down here select Windows 8, hit apply, OK, then launch the game from here and check. If that also doesn't work, then check mark disable full screen optimization option, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes, hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 6 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Then click on manage ransomware protection. And then click on allow an app through control folder access, click yes to allow, and then click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps and then go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, then open the HighOnLife2 game folder. Since I don't have the game, so I'm showing the example with another game. Open the HighOnLife2 game folder Then you will see the HighOnLife2 exe file. Select it and then click on open to add it to the list. And then again click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all labs, and then open the HighOnLife2 game folder. Open binaries folder, Win64 folder, and then you will see HighOnLife2 Win64 shipping exe file. Select it and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back and then click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall, and then click on change settings, and then click on allow another app, and then click on browse. Now again go to the game installation folder, same. So open the C drive program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, and then open the HighOnLife2 game folder. I am showing with another game. So open the HighOnLife2 game folder, then select the HighOnLife2 game exe file, and then click on open to add it to the list. Then again click on allow another app, click on browse, and then open the HighOnLife2 game folder and binaries folder, Win64 folder, and select the HighOnLife2 Win64 shipping exe file, and then click on open and then click on add. And after adding it, make sure both private and public is tick marked, then click on OK to save changes, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Bitdefender, ESET, then allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 7 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair button, then click on repair, and if you see install button, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Now again if you see repair button, then click on repair, and if you see install button, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the HighOnLife2 game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 8 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphics settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app, and then go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder. Now open the HighOnLife2 game folder. I don't have the game, so I am showing with another game. So open the HighOnLife2 game folder, and then open the HighOnLife2 game folder again, binaries folder, Win64 folder, and then select the HighOnLife2 Win64 shipping exe file, and then click on add. After adding it, look for the HighOnLife2 game exe file, expand it, and then next to the GPU preference, select the high performance. And after selecting the high performance, then go ahead, launch the HighOnLife2 game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 9 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on HighOnLife2, select properties, go to the install files tab, and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to disable overlay. So disable game overlay Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on HighOnLife2 game, select properties, and then just disable this. Enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just disable it, then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay, disable Nvidia overlay, open Nvidia GeForce Experience settings, general turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, Nvidia Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 11, close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game. Fix 12 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings, on the left click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them, and after installing them, just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 13 is to uninstall or reinstall the game. Now if none of the solution work for you, then simply uninstall HighOnLife2 game and then just restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing into another SSD drive or external SSD drive. and then you can launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve HighOnLife2 fatal error. The UE-HighOnLife2 game has crashed and will close. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.